Hi, I'm Ariel Major and I'm a product owner here at Cavallo, and today I'm going to show you how to automate your order confirmation emails. Let's get started. As a sales manager, I want to make sure my customers are emailed an order confirmation once their order ships. I can easily do this by going to Workflows, going to my order workflow here, going to my Create Invoice queue, selecting Edit, and adding an automated action here. I'm going to add an action for it to send an email report, and I'm going to do the sales confirmation report. I'm going to select the reply to as the sales representative assigned to the order, and then I'm going to send it to the primary contact address for this customer. Then I will save this and publish the changes. And now, whenever I have orders go through the workflow and whenever it goes to the Create Invoice queue, sales order confirmations are automatically emailed. And that's how to automate your order confirmation email. If you are interested in more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.